Hello, friends. Welcome back to our English Learning Podcast. I'm DarliANAH.
And I'm Khaleel. Today, we learn English with cooking.
Yes, we will learn kitchen vocabulary and easy recipe words.
And we will do it in a fun way. You will listen, we will discuss, then you will listen again.
So it's listen, discuss, listen again. You can repeat with us. Speak out loud if you can.
Quick thing, if you like learning English like this, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications.
It really helps the channel, and it helps you too because you don't miss lessons.
Okay, let's start cooking and learning.
Khaleel, I'm hungry. Let's cook.
Okay, first, get a bowl and a spoon.
I have a bowl. I have a spoon.
Great! Now we need a knife and a cutting board.
Knife, cutting board. Okay.
Good job! Let's learn the words. A bowl is a round dish. You put food inside a bowl.
Example, I put cereal in a bowl. Say it. I put cereal in a bowl.
A spoon helps you eat soup, rice, or yogurt. Example, I eat yogurt with a spoon.
Your turn. Repeat, I eat yogurt with a spoon.
A knife cuts food. Example, I cut an apple with a knife.
Repeat, I cut an apple with a knife.
A cutting board is where you cut food. Example, I cut vegetables on a cutting board.
Repeat, I cut vegetables on a cutting board. Nice, you're improving already.
First, get a bowl and a spoon.
I have a bowl, I have a spoon.
Now we need a knife and a cutting board.
Knife and cutting board, ready. What do we do first?
First, wash your hands.
Okay, I wash my hands.
Now, cut the banana.
I cut the banana.
Then, add it to the bowl. And pour milk.
I add banana, I pour milk.
Great! Now mix and stir.
Mix and stir, done.
Let's learn these cooking verbs. These are action words.
Wash. Example, I wash my hands. Repeat, I wash my hands.
Cut. Example, I cut the banana. Repeat, I cut the banana.
Add. Example, I add sugar. Repeat, I add sugar. You can also say, I add salt.
Pour. You pour liquids like water or milk. Example, I pour milk. Repeat, I pour milk.
Mix means put things together. Example, I mix eggs and flour. Repeat, I mix eggs and flour.
Stir means move it in circles, like with a spoon. Example, I stir my tea. Repeat, I stir my tea.
Very good. If you can say these verbs, you can follow many recipes.
First, wash your hands, then cut the banana.
I wash my hands, I cut the banana.
Add it to the bowl, pour milk.
I add it, I pour milk.
Great! Now mix and stir.
Mix and stir, done.
Now we make a tiny recipe. It's not fancy, it's easy.
Yes, and it's good English practice.
Step 1. Peel the banana.
Step 2, cut the banana.
Step 3. Put it in the bowl.
Step 4, pour milk.
Step 5. Mix and eat.
New word, peel. Peel means remove the skin. Example, I peel a banana.
Repeat. I peel a banana.
Word, put. Put means place something somewhere. Example, I put the banana in the bowl.
Repeat. I put the banana in the bowl.
Word, step. A step is one part of a recipe. Example, step 1, wash your hands.
Repeat. Step 1, wash your hands. Good job. Step 1, peel the banana.
Step 2, cut the banana.
Step 3, put it in the bowl.
Step 4, pour milk.
Step 5, mix and eat.
How does it taste?
It's sweet.
I like sweet food. What about salty?
Chips are salty.
What about spicy?
Spicy is like chili. Some people love spicy food.
Sweet, like sugar, chocolate, bananas. Example, this banana is sweet.
Repeat. This banana is sweet.
Salty, like salt, chips, some soups. Example, these chips are salty.
Repeat. These chips are salty.
spicy, hot taste like chili. Example, this soup is spicy.
Repeat. This soup is spicy. You're doing great.
And quick extra, hot and cold. Example, tea is hot. Ice cream is cold.
Repeat. Tea is hot. Ice cream is cold.
How does it taste?
It's sweet.
Chips are salty.
And chili soup can be spicy.
Let's do one more recipe, a simple egg sandwich.
Yes, great for breakfast. Example, my quick breakfast is a banana. Or, my quick breakfast is an egg sandwich. First, get bread, eggs, and salt.
Okay, bread, eggs, salt.
Next, crack 2 eggs into a bowl.
I crack 2 eggs into a bowl.
Add a little salt, then mix.
I add salt. I mix.
Now, heat the pan, then cook the eggs.
Heat the pan. Cook the eggs.
Put the eggs on bread and eat.
Yum. Now we practice helpful kitchen sentences. Repeat after us.
Sentence 1. I'm hungry. Let's cook.
Repeat. I'm hungry. Let's cook.
Sentence 2. Where is the spoon?
Repeat. Where is the spoon?
Sentence 3. Please pass the salt.
Repeat. Please pass the salt.
Sentence 4. Be careful, the knife is sharp.
Repeat. Be careful, the knife is sharp.
Great. That sentence is very useful in real life.
Yes, and you're speaking in full sentences. Good job.
Let's recap today's keywords.
Kitchen tools, bowl, spoon, knife, cutting board.
Cooking verbs. Wash, cut, add, pour, mix, stir, peel, put, crack, heat, cook.
Taste words, sweet, salty, spicy, hot.
And you practiced 2 easy recipes, banana milk bowl and egg sandwich.
Now our community question. Tell us in the comments, what is your quick breakfast? Example, my quick breakfast is a banana. Or, my quick breakfast is bread and tea.
We want to read your answers, and if you want, write sweet, salty, or spicy. What do you like?
Keep going, you're improving already. Small practice every day is powerful.
If you want daily help, join our Telegram channel, Speak It Simple. We post short, easy lessons and quick speaking practice you can do in a few minutes a day.
And the best part? When you learn a little every day, your English grows fast. It's simple, clear, and made for beginners.
The link to join Speak It Simple is down in the video description, and it's also pinned in the comments.
Join us today, practice with us daily, and let's make English feel easy.
See you next time.
Bye-bye, friends.